This is Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Nifty after overnight trading. Let's take a look here, and we can see US markets just before they open. 30 minutes to go. Take a look here at the Nifty and take you back to the breakout attempt that failed. On the weekly chart, we can see that there was a failed breakout attempt. And this failed breakout attempt was a warning sign to be careful that there's a possibility of a reversal. And now we see that the markets really come off those levels. And take a look at the daily. We can see that at the highs, we can see that if we take this line here on the daily, we see where we broke down and what turned into resistance on a backtest failure during this move higher. Of course, we can see on hindsight, ultimately, we do come off those levels, and now we see this pullback taking place. Something else that has happened overnight is there's a trend line here. If you take the lows, maybe we can draw it like that. The line connecting previous RSI lows was broken, and because of that break, we can see that prices have been pressed lower. There's a break here which turned into a backtest failure again here. Now keep in mind, we are trading below RSI 30.9, and as long as the RSI is trading below 30.9, expect day to day the market to continue being under pressure. We can also see that the previous line that I had used to showcase what is going on here is there was a previous line based on this entry. We take that line, draw our uniformity line. Should be something like that. And you can see how the market had been bouncing on this green line with uniform action, which led to recovery. Even this, we can say, was a recapture of the line during this move. We tried to do so here, but you see what happened is ultimately we failed to hold that level. This has turned into a break below the red line. So lots of red flags. In the short term on the daily, I would say the key is the RSI 30.9. As long as we are trading below 30.9 on the daily, expect the Nifty to continue trading to the downside, at least sideways to down, as long as we are trading below 30.9. Another way of saying this is, if the Nifty is to recover in the short term, it would need to recapture this level, the RSI 30.9. If you are new to this concept, this idea, which is my own research method, there should be some links in the description of this video. Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace and blessings. ESES. Yes.